Nanonood siya ng TV.
Yo, what?
Hindi ka kasi nakikinig sa amin.
Kaya si Arnold nabubuglas.
Yun yung sinabi namin kanina. Kaya na-open niya about sa Labubu.
Kala niya na sa nabubuglas sa ano. Uy,
Si Kylie, si 5453.
Anong?
Anong F na? 1. Kaya marunong ka gumawa ng envelope? Yung... Maya nga.
Pwede nga ako sa ano eh, may ano kami ganun eh. May project kami ganun, kaso lang lumali ako sa paglagay ng address. Ay hindi, ang pag-alala ko, address ng idadala yung papel. No, tapos sa pinataas, kaya ito yung taas.
Bruh! Nagawa ka ng envelope, hindi ko di magsusulat.
I'm gonna see it.
Gagawa ng envelope. Fold mo, gagawa ka. Bruh!
At tayo work.
It might be a good idea to keep those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place.
Pati sa school, hindi nag-English.
Interestingly enough, Greg doesn't come on stage very often. I've heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark, though. So, hey,
So, ganyan din
that's one
ako.
more reason not to run out of power, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using the door
Nanonood ba siya ng TV?
There are blind spots in your camera view. Those blind
Sino may eyelashes?
spots right outside the door. So if you can find something or someone on your cameras, be sure to keep the door locked. You might only have a few seconds to react. Not that you would I'm not implying that. Also, check on the curtain of the
Kumodus kayo.
The character in there seems unique in that
Napindot niyo na ba yung call?
the cameras remain off for long periods of time. I guess he doesn't like being watched. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control. Talk to you soon.
Una yung purple.
Blue yan purple, dude. Amity, why are you bending down?
JC ka mukha mo, Teo. JC ka mukha mo.
Bro, you're bending down and you're...
Ito, Teo, mukha mo, Teo. There's nothing here, dude.
Stop!
It's crap.
You're gonna see this in my YouTube video.
It's pure crap. Let him see.
Bruh!
What's the difference? The very, very black is on the ground. Ano?
Wala pa.
Did you see it? Did you see it?
Nakakatakot pa yung avatar niya kaysa sa mga lipaton.
Kapag siya nahulog yung gitara ni Father.
Ayun na! Guys! Ayun na!
Oh my God!
Open the door!
Kumalabas ka naman. Ay, sabi yung pangit ko eh.
Si JC! Si JC!
Patay ka na?
Una siyang namatay! Amity, bantayan mo yan!
Sabi ko tayo huwag ka muna eh.
Oh my gosh, Michi!
Tayo ko to!
Saan na si Bonnie? Mabuksan niyo itong kabila.
Ako na sa mga pintuan, guys.
Kailan nagigising si Foxy?
Nasaan ka, te?
Kailan nagigising si Foxy?
Hindi ko alam. Saan? Oo. Dito pa ako eh. Bakit? Wait, try ko. Wala pa talaga. Pabukas. Ano ba rin asan na si Chica?
To stage.
Let me do my job.
Nasa corner lang si Bonnie. Papunta siya sa open na door.
What?
Amity, close the door! Diyan siya.
Alam ko na nga.
Si Chica papunta siya sa side ni Bonnie. Papunta siya sa kabilang side.
What? Told you guys I had good.
Hmm.
Sino na bukas na dito? Ate, tingnan mo. Yung power. Yung power.
Oh my gosh! No, I'm still alive. Sabi mo kay Mitch, open door!
Ha? Okay. Hinabol ako ni Chica sa banyo. Hindi kami susunod ko na nakapagod.
Oh my gosh! Nastak yung tummy nila! Nastak yung tummy! Oh my gosh! I can't!
Ay, hindi ka job. Open it!
Oh my gosh, boy pa si Kylie!
Mali yun, nakunin ko na lang. 3 Deb, ulit tayo, night. Oh, nice. Yes, I know. Ito na mag-beat. They do that. We're back here, Dad. It's JC, ilang pages na yung book mo? Oh, pretend shot. Ilang pages na yung book?
Hello? Hello? Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to page 8, well, I won't talk quite as long as I'm just swearing and spreading it the week progresses.
Ikaw gumawa?
I just did a peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place. Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come on stage very often.
Sino yun?
Freddy becomes a lot more active in the dawn show, so hey,
Okay mo?
no reason not to run out of power, right?
Hindi, no? Pwede kami. Sige, back.
Dalawa sila ni Amity. Ano ba, Amity? You're weird. Stop that!
Wala pa talaga.
What?
Paa mo talaga, te. The head. Yung head natin. Nice though. Like I'm proud. David, tignan mo yung ano niya.
I can hear it calling.
Nagkaroon mo ng joke. Di na mga crouch. Asan ka na, te? Bumalik ka na, te.
Sino nagsasara ng door?
Alam ko, Freddy. Kapag nahulog na yung gitara niya.
Sino nagsasara ng door?
Oy, buksan niyo to!
Oh my gosh, ayan na! Yun na guys!
Bakla, bukas mo lang yan muna. Hindi, yun lang, pupunta na si Bonnie.
Amity, huwag ka masyado lumabas kasi... You're dead?
Oh my God, Daisy. Daisy pa!
Sabi ko kasi bilis pumagka lumabas kasi nga mabilis sila tumakbo.
Kapag sila nakabukas na sobra yung bunga nila, mabilis nila. Feeling ko, te, kapag nasa labas ka, hindi ka nila atakin kasi mukha ka ng animatronic.
Sino nag-open ng door?
Bawal talaga. Bukla! Wala pati. Get ready to run. Parang tayo pupunta siya sa kapila.
Tayo, huwag ka lumabas. Hey! Ooh, is this illegal?
May friend na mo ako! I died!
Run! Run!
Asan ka natin? Nang ano? Asan? Nasa Ben? Nasaan? Dito ka, dito. Parang alam ko yung dito. Ang bagal ko. Ayun. Oo, dito na ako.
Ako na lang ba?
Ine-expectate kita talaga, te.
Ano expectate? Spectate?
Hindi ka nila makita. Sana mawala ng power, tapos bigla ka niya inatakan. Ay, inatakan. Ayun nga!
Buhay pa si Jay-Z?
Wala na patay na punta bigla si Bonnie sa akin. 2 AM pa lang, te, oh. Patay na tayo.
Oh my gosh! I died!
It's your fault.
I died!
Wait, buksan na ba yan? Sabi ko nga tayo. It's your fault for not opening the generator. Standing in the corner again. What? Are you all in your room or somewhere else?
Hello? Hello? Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2, congrats. I won't talk quite as long this time since Freddy and his friends tend to become more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place. Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come on stage very often. Freddy becomes a lot more active in the dark, so hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power. I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights. There are blind spots in your camera view, and those blind spots have to be right outside your door. So if you can't find something, or
Uy, bakit nababawasan yung ano natin, power?
Si JC. Si JC.
Not that you would be in any danger, of course. I'm not implying that. Also, check on the curtain in Pirate Cove.
Nawawalan tayo ng power, eh.
Sinong gumagamit?
Nawawalan tayo ng power.
Kapag ba naka-flashlight, nababawasan power? Open naman yung door, ah.
Yung door ni JC.
Talk to you soon.
Lagot ka, te. Lagot ka, te. Buksan mo muna kasi wala pa. Nawawalan tayo agad ng power.
Hey, oh, is this illegal?
Ikaw saan?
Kaninong pinto na naman yung nakasara?
Kay JC talaga. Hindi pala.
Kaya na, binaba na guys! Binaba na!
Kaya start na! Don't close the door yet. Papunta pa dyan, te.
Guys, challenge. No door challenge. Oh my gosh! Sino nag-open? Hoy, open nyo! Syra!
Si Bonnie na sa loob, te.
Magkapinampad ko.
Oh, wow. You're dead, eh. You're a DJ. Nakita mo, te? Lagot ka, te. Wala na tayong window. Buhay ka ba? Ano siya? Buhay ka ba? Are you running away from that?
Guys, mayroong headband.
Sarap headband. Ganda. Oh, You. Ito, Jeremy po. Nasa bahay ka ba? Nasa bahay ka ba?
Everybody died.
Did you try? Nanonood ba kayo, te?
Guys, ibang game naman.
99